Hello friends, Running Kimono. So this is the scene from outside today and all the beautiful snow is gone. So it is just like raining and miserable, but I know a lot of you love to see the backyard. And special hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. And no doubt she has a lot of snow where she is right now, but this rain seemed to just make all of the snow just disappear. So it's just one of those weird things. I wish it would either snow or not snow, one or the other. So today, guys, I went over to Walgreens and I did a $20 basket in store. And the light is weird, so I just did one of these little photo videos. I hope you don't mind instead of my shaky bad camera work. So this is what I grabbed. And yes, I grabbed more of that Godiva chocolate and I used an IVC with a spend booster. And I'm going to show you precisely how I made that happen. But this was I think like an $11 moneymaker after everything is said and done. Now, I did get a vaccine today, flu shot, and this printed for me. And if you look at it really carefully, this expires in 1 day. So the day that it's issued is the day you have to use it. And it wasn't like that a couple weeks ago when I was there doing something else. So this is kind of interesting. So if you're going to get your flu shot, just be aware of that. Now, I also have this booster on the store card that I was doing this deal, which was a 5 back when you spend 20. Yes, you can stack both of those. So you would technically get back $10 when you spend 20. No coupons even needed right there. So that would be 50% back on anything in the store. Most things I think dairy and gift cards and that sort of stuff, not part of it. But the stuff I'm buying, yes, it's going to work. So I did make a video on this today, and if you're looking for some of this super floss, this is a super deal. So my store only had 2 of them, but that's all I needed for this deal. If you grab 3, that's also great, but grabbing 2 makes it a money maker. So we have 2 of these, and they are $3 each, and when you buy 5, you get back a $5 store coupon, and that printed for me. It didn't on Sunday, but it did for this purchase. Go figure that one out. Now, with it, I also grabbed a toothbrush because we have a $2 digital, and this is the one that I grabbed, the Sensi Soft for $3. These 3 items, you get back that $5 store register reward. Plus, there's a $2 digital off of the Sensi Soft. So that's really nice. And this is what the digital coupon looks like. So make sure you have it loaded. I think in the December P&G, there's also a $2 coupon. So it's an either or sort of thing. Now, to get the basket right to 20, I threw in some of this toothpaste, and I'm always saying, I'm not going to buy any more of this, and then I always do it. I don't know what my friggin' problem is, but if you see you buy 2 of these, you get $5 back in Walgreens cash, and it's $3.99 per tube of toothpaste, and these are the larger tubes. And then we have a digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2, so it basically makes both of them completely for free. So if you wanted to do those 2 dental care deals, do them. They're really fantastic. Now, I also grabbed some of the Godiva domes along with the bag of Masterpiece. So everybody I know is getting a little bit of chocolate. And so this is what the IVC coupon looks like, and it's found at the front of the store in the Big Book of Savings. Here it is. Now, I used my digital one on Monday. I can't use it again. Digital is once, but this paper one I can use multiple times, just to note that. I have a super nice friend who sent me a couple of these through the mail. And they are from the Smart Source of 1121, and it's $1.25 off. And this coupon, there is no limitation, like 1 per purchase per person. This one is 1 per item purchase, so it's the last line if you look at it very carefully. So as I'm buying 3 of these, I can use 3 coupons. And then I also found these near the pharmacy, and they are the 2 for 24 cents. And I couldn't find this pain reliever one for the longest time, and boom, I found them right at the pharmacy. Okay, guys, so here's the math for this. 2 those flossers, and then 1 brush is $9. 3 of the Godiva is $10.50. 2 of the Colgates at $3.99 is $7.98, and then 3 of those pain meds is 36 cents. So the total for this basket is $27.85. I got the cashier to scan that little IVC coupon. $3 came off. The new total is $24.84. So as I'm using a digital and a paper booster, I'm already there right at $24. Now I used 3 of those coupons from the Smart Source of November the 21st. I got the cashier to scan every single box, so those coupons would attach to every single product. Sometimes cashiers will scan one and then key in 2 extras, but get them to scan every single one. So every paper coupon will attach to the product. And I also had the 4 off a 2 for the Colgate, the $2 for the Oral-B brush. I had to pay $15.09 with my debit card. I got back $14 in Walgreens cash. $5 for the booster and $4 for the crest, plus $13 in register rewards. So it made this like an $11 money maker, which is absolutely wild. Do not use store register rewards or Walgreens cash in this specific scenario. And just to show you a quick glance of my receipt, as you can see, all of the digitals came off. And again, I charged that $15.09 to my debit card because I'm using spend boosters with to make sure there's no funny business or nonsense going on. And to my absolute and total delight, everything with this transaction worked out beautifully, so it was really great. And just to show you the top one, that is for the Godiva, and then 2 register rewards for the flossers and that brush. So it's kicking back, $9 back. So you buy $9, you get $9 back. So that is better than free. That's a $2 moneymaker for this girl, so I'm very happy with that. So how great is that? You have until Saturday the 4th to do these deals. Hey friends, a couple days ago I had a little giveaway, and the Lysol winner is from California, and then we have the cake winner from Missouri. I sent both of these shoppers a little email, so hopefully they claim them right away and I'll get those out in the mail. And I know a lot of you really wanted those Lysol, so there might be another giveaway pretty soon. Let's have another one, why not? So I'm going to be giving away some of these Godiva coupons. A friend sent me some, and I just thought I would share with you because beginning of December is the time of giving. So the rules for this is you got to be a subscriber to the channel. Tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio couponer. That is your entry. And it's 1 entry per subscriber, and I will be picking the winner. There's only one for this one on Saturday the 4th. So good luck with this. And that candy deal over at Walgreens is taking place right until Christmas Day, I think. So if you really wanted to get these for free, I think it's like a quarter money maker with these coupons. This might be your opportunity. And my friend was kind of crazy with the amount of coupons she sent me, so I might be having more than one giveaway in the future. Okay, so before I skedaddle, I want to talk really quickly about Walmart. So this company called Nostalgia, they have this little pumpkin waffle maker, and it is so stinking cute. So the original price was $8.96, and it's down to $3. So that is actually 67% off. And that is some tremendous savings. If you look at the sticker, the bottom right-hand corner, that says December the 1st. So that's the date that a lot of stuff goes on clearance here. So even on January 1st, I wonder if there's any of these left, if it would be $1.50 or less. But who really knows? When these things show up, people buy them right away. Now, if you want to go to the site brickseek.com, here is the UPC. Type this in along with your zip code to see if your store may have some in stock. And I wish you guys good luck. I have a friend who lives in Salt Lake City, that area, and she just keeps finding these like at every single store. So, you might find them or you might not. It's always your mileage may vary with clearance. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.